Right, question 22. We are given a rule for working out the area of a triangle, and this is one you're familiar with. Multiply the base by the height and then divide by 2. And you're told that a triangle has a base of 12 centimetres and a height of 6 centimetres. Use the rule to work out the area of the triangle. So we're going to multiply the base, which is 12, by the height, which is 6, and that's going to give us 72, and then we're going to divide that by 2, which is going to give us an answer of 36, and that is an easy 2 marks for that particular question. And then we move on to the second part, and this is tricky because it gives us the answer. It gives us an area of 55 square centimetres, and it tells us the height, and we've got to work out the base of the triangle. This you have to work backwards because we don't know the base, but we're given the height, and we know that if we follow the rule, if we do base times 11 and then divide our answer by 2, that would give us 55 square centimetres. So we are given the answer, and we've got to work the whole thing backwards. And this is a little bit like the equations that we were doing earlier in the paper. We're going to start with the answer, 55. We know that if we divide, I'll say that bit again, if working backwards from the 55, the opposite of dividing by 2 is multiplying by 2, so that is going to give us 110. And then the opposite of multiplying by 11, as you know, is dividing by 11, and if you divide 110 by 11, that should give us an answer of 10, and that should be the base of the triangle. And again, because I'm not entirely confident I've got that right, I'm going to check this with the rule which says multiply the base by the height and divide by 2. So I'm going to take my base of 10 and multiply it by the height, which is 11, which gives me 110, and if I divide that by 2, I get 55, which means we must have got the answer right. So the base equals 10 centimetres.